Brand, lifetime. Material, alloy steel. Style, slam it. Assembly required, no. Frame material, alloy steel. Color, orange. Included components, Slam It basketball rim. Model name, Slam It. 18 rim is constructed from 5/8 solid steel for suerior strength and durability. 70G all-weather net and hardware included. Double compression springs for back action. Item weight is 12 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit and easy install. I replaced my lifetime rim that had rusted and broken off, and this one was a perfect fit. It came with the U-bolt and all the nuts and bolts, and even a new net. I simply turned the basketball goal on its side, used a couple of wrenches that I had, and it was up in about 20 minutes. The only thing I needed my son to help me on was to hold the rim in place while I secured it to the backboard. Other than that, it was really easy and simple. I highly recommend.